Hello? Hello, sijui mnanisikia? Ah, hello, hello? Hello, hello guys, hello. Speaking. Yeah? Nasubiria bado tunajoin, tuko watatu tu. Yeah, tuko watatu. Hello. Hapo unanisikia vipi? Audio quality ikoje?
Sauti inakwama mzee, sauti inakwama.
Hata wewe unakwama pia.
Hapa ni mtandao bro.
Hopefully itakuwa sawa. Pia watu wajoin.
Baba.
Hello guys, hello.
Yo,
Testing. Okay, tatumia hii. Okay. Tuko watano. I guess this year we're going to start there. So today basically we're going to cover kitu kinaitwa FTR, okay, and FTB. FTR ni failed to return. Okay. FTB first time back. Naomba ngoja mara moja. Let me create. Okay, I hope there everything is fine now. So yes. So I think as you guys okay, now everybody is muted. After the explanation, nitawasha tena microphone ili muweze kuzungumza, lakini as for now everybody is muted. So I know you guys are aware of the rally based rally, drop based drop, hizo najua zote mnazielewa. I understand that some of you are completely aware. If you're not aware, then you can go back and check out the videos of basics of supply and demand. Tutakuwa tumezielezea hizo rally based rally, drop based rally, and others. So Leo, the main subject here today is FTR. Okay. FTR is also let me zoom in here so you guys can have a clear view. Okay, I hope now we're good. Si mtumeni chat kama inasomeka vizuri ili nifahamu kama inasomeka. You can just send a chat so I can see, I can know if you guys can clearly see what's on screen. Is it readable? But you have the PDF, so if you do not understand the words here, or if you do not see the words clearly, you can go at the PDF I've sent prior to the lesson to review. So the chat patterns I will cover today, with the rules to follow to ensure the highest probability of success, are patterns that I personally take, and if you're a beginner, I suggest that you backtest them before you apply them to your live trading. I believe it's not the first time you guys have heard of FTR. Kama mko kwenye group mtakuwa mmesha kumwona trader mmoja anaitwa 21 Savage au Zakaria. Alikuwa anasemaga FTR, nimeona FTR. I'm sure many of you were asking yourself what is an FTR. So today this is what we're going to cover. So an FTR is an abbreviation, ni kifupi cha failed to return. Failed to return, or FTR, as we all know, is a candle pattern in trading. What this pattern shows is that my goodness, let me disable. You guys are already drawing on screen. Please, guys, behave. Okay, we're continuing. An FTR, for those who are joining us, what we're basically discussing today is a pattern called FTR and FTB, and right now we're discussing we're just entering in discussion the first pattern, which is an FTR. Michael, you raised a hand. You raised a hand. Do you have anything to say? Let me unmute you. Okay. If you have a problem, can you send a chat? If you have a problem, Michael, I've seen you raising your hand. I would appreciate you if you send a chat, an individual chat, if you have a question. So let's continue back with the lesson. An FTR, or failed to return, is a candle pattern in trading. What this pattern shows is that as price is an up or down trend, price will push back and collect orders, causing a candle close of the opposite direction before continuing the trend. Okay, so this is a simple way to express it, that the price is going up and then a price will push back, a candle will push back here to collect orders and close the opposite direction of the trend. So basically these candles here, we presume all these candles will be buying candles, and this one candle that goes back will be a bearish candle. So it shows that price is an up or down trend, and price will push back to collect orders, causing the candle in the opposite direction. So if this here is a bullish candle, it means this candle in this area will be a bullish candle before continuing the what? Before continuing the trend. Okay. So basically this is the definition of an FTR. Do you understand me, guys? Can you please send a chat if you understand what I've just said here? Kama mmeelewa if nilichokizungumzia sasa hivi. Naomba mtume chat, type so I can know. Kama sijamwacha mtu nyuma. Tumeelewana mpaka hapo? Can anybody? Okay. I've received one. Okay, yep, okay. Okay, one person said okay. Okay, swali Infinix Hot 6 bado. Okay, ngoja labda niongee kwa Kiswahili. Kwa FTR hii pattern ni kwamba iko hivi. Okay. Basi narudia. Kwa hapa tumesema an FTR, or failed to return, is a candle in pattern in trading. What this pattern shows is that price is an up or down trend. Price will push back and collect orders. So let's say, let's do both examples. Let me share the whiteboard here. So okay, so an FTR, basically these lines will represent candles. Easy mistari na uchora ina represent candles. Core price iko in an uptrend. Okay, sorry. So price is an uptrend. Okay, this green line represent buyer's candle. Okay, FTR ni pattern ambayo inakuja against the trend, inarudi nyuma ku collect orders. Okay, Kwa hii pattern inarudi trend inaenda juu, lakini hii pattern inarudi chini ku collect nini, ina collect orders. Okay, ikisha collect order no trend inakuja inafanya nini, inaendelea with the trend. I don't know if you guys mmenielewa. Kwa basically FTR ni kendo ambayo inatokea against the trend. Inarudi kwanza chini ili kuchukua order za watu, alafu ndo trend iendelee. Na hiyo kendo hizi zote hii ni buying kendo, lakini hii FTR inatokea ni kendo ambayo yuko opposite direction. Kwa hiyo inashuka, lakini pia kwenye kushuka kwake sio kama inashuka afu inarudi juu, hapana, ikishuka inashuka afu inafunga ikiwa selling candle. Okay, and the same thing for the downtrend. Okay, ina downtrend, trend inashuka kama hivi. Okay, and then inakuja FTR inarudi nyuma, it goes back kuchukua order za watu, ku collect order za watu against the trend ambayo itakuwa ni bullish, and then inakuja tena inafanya nini, inaendelea. Ko easy this here basically this candle okay, these lines here are candles. Okay, and this is what we call this is what we call an FTR. Sorry. So let me try to put them here. Let me try to take a text and write in the middle here FTR. Okay, and there. FTR. Okay. So do you guys understand me? Kama mpaka hapo hujanielewa niambie. Na hizi nini? Hizi lines these lines represent zinatambulisha candlesticks. Okay, kwa hizi lines ni candlesticks, sio na hili bracket zima ni trend. I mean hii nani nzima ni trend. Kama umenielewa mpaka hapo, can you guys change the chat if hujanielewa au nini? Naombeni mnijulishe, maana kuna watu wamesema mmejoin, wengine hamjaelewa. So those who have understood this part here that I've explained, can you please tell me? Unaweza kuchat. Mmeelewa sio? Kila mtu naomba text hapo nimeelewa. Kama umeelewa naomba text, sitaki kumwacha mtu yeyote nyuma. I've received only 2 people guys. Nyie mwingine mmeelewa? You guys please text me. I need to know. Everest. Okay, ngoja niwashe microphone yako. Let me ask you to unmute. Can you unmute Everest? Yeah. Bro. Ndio nakusikia.
Samani hapo. Samani kwenye hiyo fail to return kuna tofauti gani kati ya hiyo na nani na retracement?
Tofauti kati ya
fail to return hiyo nani ulivyoonyesha
inakuwa ni some sort of a trend lakini ni ndogo. Hizi FTR hizi tunazungumzia in terms of candlesticks, nitakuja kuonyesha clear chart. Lakini hizi tofauti ya retracement inakuwa ni kama ka trend kadogo. FTR ni candlestick moja. Umenisoma?
Okay.
Yeah, FTR anazungumzia candle moja, yani candle moja, sio trend nzima. Kwa hizi lines hizi ndio maana nimeandika hapa chini lines represent candlesticks, kwamba hizi line zina represent candlestick moja moja. Kwa it means the red one hii ndio ni candle ya sellers na hii green huku ni candle ya buyers. Sijui umenisoma?
Yeah, nimeshakusoma.
Yeah, okay. Kuna mtu mwingine ana swali kabla sijaendelea? Kwenye chat huku sikuipata nami sauti sikuipata. Galaxy C7 sasa nashindwa kuelewa kwa nini sauti unaikosa. Nadhani lakini kila mtu mwingine ananisikia. Sasa sijajua shida ni nini. But I believe fail to return imetokea kivipi? Fail to return imetokea kivipi? Fail to return ni kwamba trend inaendelea, lakini katika candlestick, hizo candlestick zinazotokea, candlestick ni trend inaendelea. Kwa mfano kama hapa nimesema trend inaenda juu, inakuja candle moja inarudi chini kuchukua order za watu kwanza, ndo hii red line, and then trend inaendelea. Kwa FTR ni kama inarudi chini kwanza kutusema retest, lakini ni candle moja katika trend, and then ndo price iendelee kwenda juu. Nitaonyesha live example kwa msijali, maana nahitaji nimeshindwa kuelewa kwa vile sijaonyesha live example. Kwa hiyo let's go back to the present to the PDF so you can see what I'm speaking of here. So basically this here is the FTR in real life. Sijui mnaona hapo hichi ninachokizungumzia. Kwa hiyo inakuwa na candle tatu tu. Most not yani sio lazima iwe candle tatu. Inaweza kuwa candle hata 4, lakini as long itokee kitu kama hiki hichi mnachokiona hapa kwenye hii nanili. You guys see this, like tulikuwa kuna 1 2 3 bullish candles ikatokea hii candle, and then ikaja ikarudi chini kidogo. Okay? And then ika close bearish. And then trend ikaendelea juu. Sio mmeiona hii ndio FTR hii hapa hii iliyokuwa indicated na hii mshale hizi ndio mfano wa FTR. Sio mmeiona sasa, mmeielewa? Msije mkafanisha na retracement na retest za higher low na lower highs. This here, this thing, this indicated by this arrow ndio FTR. Kwa hiyo sheria zake tutazifika za entry, lakini nataka kuona mmeshaelewa FTR ni nini mpaka sasa. Mchata ambao mmeelewa FTR ni nini, ambao mmeunderstand. You understand. Okay, 3 people. We have 12 participants. 3 people say understand. I need more people to tell me they understand. You guys are good? Okay. That's nice. Go Okay. That's dope. That's really nice. Nashukuru mmeelewa. I hope now you guys understand. So thank you everybody. Thank you everybody. I've seen nimeona. So tunaendelea, okay? This is how we trade the FTRs. So that is the FTR right there. And jinsi inavyokuwa how we trade these FTRs so in the example this is an FTR on a live chat. As you can see, we had 3 bullish candles in a row, then a small red candle, this one here, the one indicated by the arrow is called the FTR candle. And after the candle, we continued the push up. How to enter on this candle pattern is very simple. Wait for the close of the next candle above the FTR candle, then ride momentum to the next zone with a stop loss below the FTR. Okay. So let's try to go on a live chat and spot the bullish FTR, and probably we can work it from there on a live chat. So so an example of an FTR, okay, right here. This is let me plug in my phone. in the charge. So let's have a look. There are many, these patterns occur a lot, and they're a great way to also add to your supply and demand. So this year we have three we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candle, okay, and then an FTR occurs. So this here is our FTR, okay, right here. This candle here is our FTR. We have spotted, okay, the FTR. So we wait for the next candle. So after this, the FTR occurs, we wait for the next candle to close. Kwa hiyo FTR ikishatokea step 1 hii hapa. Let me try to let me try to put bubbles so you guys can see there. So this here is step 1. Okay, so so this here is step 1. We spot so this is FTR1, okay, as you can see. And so what we wait is the next candle to close. Ikishatokea FTR, candle inayofuata close juu ya FTR. This here, step 2. Okay, step 2. So here is our FTR. So imeshatokea FTR, step 1. Step 2 inayofuata candle close juu ya FTR. So this is step number 2. Step number 2, we wait for the candle to close above the come on. What happened? Imetokea nini tena? Mbona chat imedisappear tu? Maajabu haya. Guys, we're gonna have to start again. Sorry. The chat somehow suddenly disappeared. That's amazing. So, I'm really sorry. This had to happen. So yeah, so we were here. We were trading this chart here. So we have so tunaanza 1, 2, 3, 4 FTR spotted. We spot our FTR here. That's step number 1. After spotting this FTR, let me try to do a little bit quicker. So this here is our FTR. Okay, so this here is our FTR. So we spot our FTR, okay. So the second thing, nilivyosema rule kama nakumbuka, candle close higher than the previous FTR, like demand, okay? Just like demand. The next bullish candle should be bigger than the previous bearish candle. So this here is number 2. This here is step number 2. Okay, this is bullish candle close higher than FTR. Okay, and that's that one. Okay, so entry yako, it means ikisha close higher than FTR, candle imeclose pa, wewe kama trader, you take your entry right over here when this candle closes. Okay, so you buy here. This is your buy entry. Okay, your stop loss should be below the FTR. That's where you should buy. let me just put the green. The stop loss should be below the FTR. So the FTR is below, the FTR will be here. So this is where you put your stop loss, below the FTR. Yeah. So ndo hiyo umeshaingia kwenye trade yako. Your take profit will be the next zone. So boom, unaingia, you know, you make your money. So you might close it over here kwa sababu here is like a supply. So obviously this might be a take profit here. You might take your money there and stuff, but unaweza uka close hapa ukasubiria FTR nyingine tena uingie. Kama hii nayo pia ni, this can also count as an FTR. This here is also an FTR. Your entry ingekuwa wapi guys? Your entry ingekuwa iko hapa. Ukaenda nayo juu. Okay, hapa ndo ungeingia. FTR spotted. You take your entry FTR hii hapa. Here is your bullish candle, close higher than FTR. FTR iko wapi? FTR yetu hii hapa. So here is your FTR. Hapa una buy. You see all this money you're making. All that's money. Yeah, you know you're making from just spotting there. So I don't know. So do you guys understand me till where we are right now? Let me try to unmute you all, because nikinanili. Okay, if you have a question unaweza kaongea, nimewasha microphone. Mtu mwenye swali kabla tuenda kwenye bearish FTR. Hello, yeah, nakusikia, karibu boss.
Poa, vipi?
Gari inakuaje?
Poa. Sasa
Ndio.
FTR tunaangalia kwenye time frame gani? Kubwa ni kwenye ya daily au H4 au 1 hour?
Mostly kwenye unaweza zina apply kwenye time frame zote. Lakini the best one to look at will be 1 hour 4 hour. Mostly 4 hour 1 hour kwenda chini. Baka M30 sio chini ya M15. Yani 15 minutes 30 minutes 1 hour 4 hour.
Okay.
So they walk nicely. Lakini Peter Everest, kama una swali unaweza kuongea, microphone ziko on zote nimeziwasha.
Sasa niko na moja mzee Richard.
Yes.
Ina form FTR but ina sell, inakuaje hapa mzee? Ina form FTR then ina sell.
Ina form FTR mpaka ina sell. Zote hizi ni FTR. Kama hapa pia tuna FTR hii hapa. Hii nao ni FTR.
Yani unakuta ina confirm entry
nimekuelewa.
ina sell.
I'm just trying to indicate this area here.
Poa.
Nimekuelewa. I'm going to address that question soon. I'm just trying to indicate this area here. In a form FTR alafu ina sell. The answer is simple, my brother. That is why we have stop losses below the FTR. Kama hii ni FTR, hii hapa ambayo nilikuwa na indicate, hii hapa ni FTR. Kwa sisi inamaanisha hii imetokea FTR. Naomba mute mic zenu kwanza nielezee and then okay. So it means wewe entry yako unachukua hapa kwenye hii bullish candle baada ya kuclose higher than the FTR. Stop loss yako wewe utakuja kuiweka chini ya FTR which is here. Okay. Kwa in case labda ikaenda against you, yani the answer is simple. Stop loss. Manage your risk na weka stop loss. Kwa sababu it's not like this strategy that I'm showing here is meant to be correct all the time. Okay, those scenarios might happen. Inaweza katokea FTR ikasell, but it's a lower possibility, lakini it's also a possibility. The scenario is a possibility. And what I can say is stop loss below the FTR. And why I like FTR is because they have lower risk. Risk ya FTR ni ndogo sana. Unaweza kukuta stop loss yako ni 10 pips, 8 pips. Reward yako kama hapa, stop loss yake ni ngapi? Maybe I don't know 10 pips. Lakini huku juu, kufika mpaka huku juu, how many pips have you eaten? Maybe 100, maybe 1,000 if I'm not wrong. Okay? So FTR is an entry strategy. For those who are like, I want to be a sniper, I want to trade like a sniper. FTR is one of the good entries you can ever get. And that is why I chose to let you guys know about this strategy. And I'm running out of time. But
kwa hiyo unaweza
mwana mtu amesema question. Michael, kama una swali unaweza ukawasha mic yako useme tu. Yes, unakuwa unasema?
Kwa hiyo naweza nikaconclude kwamba ikifomu FTR 80% ya hiyo move iko correct, na 20% ya hiyo move inaweza ikakataa, si ndio?
Tuseme 60%. Based on my backtesting on V75. Kwenye FTRs I can say 60%. Lakini most of the times, as you can see here, kila zikitokea, let's find another place kuna FTR hii hapa. Tumeona FTR. Hii hapa pap. Tuna backtest hapa market ya nyuma. It means tunaingia kwenye okay, hii trade nisingeichukua kwa vile bullish candle I could close higher than the previous FTR. Where else do we find an FTR? Still lazima sheria ya FTR ni the bullish candle should be bigger than the previous bearish candle. Scenario kama hii hapa chini ni kwapi tena? Hii hapa niliweka kibox hiki. Mimi nisingeingia kwa sababu hii candle ya bullish I could close above hii hapa. So basically this is trades like these are trades we do not take. Na kama ulivyokuwa unasema, sometimes maybe naweza nikaona FTR ikasell. We have an example right here. Bullish candle, lakini these movements pia cha kuongezea ku avoid loss. Movement kama hizi sio za kutrade. Movement lazima ziwe na nguvu. Okay? Kama hapa, hizi bullish candle ni za nguvu. Ndio zinakuja kuform FTR. Umeona zinakwenda juu FTR. FTR. Kwa hiyo candle lazima ziwe kubwa, yani ziwe ni strong momentum yenye nguvu, sio zile zinatembea kidogo kidogo kama hii hapa, kama ya huku chini, kama ya wapi where was the example, kama hii hapa. Okay, umeona hapo ka move hii imefanya hii, imekuja imetengeneza kama kadoji, imekuja imepanda afu inatokea FTR. No, these scenarios are the ones we do not trade. Only strong momentum. Okay, a strong momentum kama hii hapa, kama hizi hapa nazozionyesha sasa hivi. So yeah, I hope you guys understand. Cool guys, this first session is about to come to an end, so I am closing this one and I'm opening another one. So please not leave your Zoom. Just I'm ending this meeting and then answer another one. You join with the same ID and the same password. Matter of 10 seconds.